Hello my friends, how are you doing? Today I have some amazing secret sauce for you, showing you how to create beautiful colors and lights for your night shots to go from this to this. My name is Olivio, I'm a professional designer, and I want to thank all of my patrons who support me and make these videos possible. Let's get started. Okay, so let's delete this, and what we can do the classic old school way is to go to adjustments and then, for example, take brightness and contrast like this, pump up the brightness, pump up the contrast, and you can see this gives us a beautiful effect, but I think the colors could be nicer. I also think we want to have some glow around the bright areas of our picture to make everything look more amazing. So here is how I am doing that with this really quick secret sauce. So we are going to duplicate our original picture. Right click and duplicate like this. Then set the blend mode to color dodge like this. And you can see we have nice colors, we have nice brightness, everything looks a lot better than before. You see, this is just one little move, but how do we create the glow around our brighter areas? So what I want to suggest to you is that you go to opacity here, reduce that to 50% like this. And then what you want to do is to right click on that layer and to duplicate that again. Make sure that both of them are still at 50%. Sometimes that jumps to 100%. Okay, so now that we have that, we can go into the layer effects and use a little bit of Gaussian blur. You can use that to taste, like you can use a lot, you can use a little. Let's look at this up here, for example, these lights here. You can see if I have none of that, there is not much glow. Of course, a little bit of glow from the long time exposure, but no artificial glow that we're adding later. And you can see now when I enhance my Gaussian blur, I get a nice glow around that. And you can really fine tune how much of that is, how wide you want to have that really. So when we zoom out here, we have a very nice picture, very nice glow around that, and you can still adjust the values by adjusting the opacity. You say, I want to have this even brighter, I want to have this a little bit less bright. So there is still a lot of ways you can make this exactly like you want it to be. That was the tutorial for today. If you liked it, maybe subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button so you get notified, or leave a nice comment, leave a like, whatever you want to do. I'm happy to see your results in my Facebook group. See you in my next tutorial. Bye.